Here I sing Welcome to the Jungle. Welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. Nah, 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 I'm back. I'm back, baby. Quick recap. Rumble was having issues. So I wasn't able to start the stream. So I stopped the stream on YouTube just for my Rumble in the Jumble folk. Also because I needed to take a dump and it came quick. So here we are. We're back. Quick recap. Ending up my vacation. I go back to work today. Sad panda. Started my taxes yesterday. It was a big stress ball. And then I found Coinly handled just about everything, including the Eternal wallet, MetaMask, no problem. Does Kepler? It doesn't do Kepler, but it does Atom. It does Cosmos. You don't sync it to. You just sync it to your public key. On Cardano, you sync it to your state key. On Bitcoin, you have to stake it. On Cardano, you give it your stake key. If you don't know how to do that, you just go to like one of the Cardano explorers, put in a public address, and it'll give you your stake key. On Bitcoin, you got to give it your X public key. And otherwise, because Bitcoin and Cardano both use UTXO, so when you give it that address, it's only going to give you the Chad Knight in the house. How you doing, brother? It's only going to give you the transactions that happen on that address. Unlike MetaMask, it's one address, right? So Bitcoin, you give it your XPub key. Just Google how to do that from Ledger, Trezor, or whatever wallet you use. Anyway, now the Rumble and the Jumble. We got fun and games. Welcome to the Rumble. I think we're streaming over here. Let's check. And then I wake up this morning, got myself a gun, was on a bus that flipped 17 times, and my water heater broke. So I've been kind of cleaning up water this morning. I mean, it could have been a lot worse. So I got to deal with that as I'm trying to work and catch up. And trust me, seemed like a lot of shit waiting for old Tom to get back to work. Just wait for Tom to get back. That sounds like a Tom problem. Let me tell you, there's a lot of things that are a Tom problem. Citrix for one. No one else touches Citrix but old Tom. Maybe one of the biggest mistakes in my life was learning Citrix, or I don't know, job security. All right. We already looked at this. Well, we looked at my positions. Let's just look at what's going on in general. Quick recap. Tesla, I'm waiting to take off my Iron Condor. Probably do it sometime today. My Coinbase covered strangle is the gift that keeps on giving. Yeah, Coinbase is the gift just keeps on giving. All right, E-mini S&P up 11, NASDAQ down 60. Down goes Frazier. I wonder why the NASDAQ's down 60 and the E-mini S&P's up 11. I gotta guess the big news in the last few days is the Trump indictment. I don't know how I feel about that, man. I keep listening to these spaces and Mario spaces. There's some hardcore MFers in there. And I don't know. I guess it's annoying how whatever. Let's see. Bitcoin down $230 on the future, so it's probably around 28.3 actually, probably right where it's been the whole for a week. Natty gas down 10 cents at 212. Crude oil, what's crude oil doing? $80 a barrel. I retweeted a tweet from the Fly. The scuttlebutt, that's right, I said scuttlebutt. The scuttlebutt on the street is the United States. Oh man, there's a lot of shit going on, guys and gals. Like a lot of shit behind the scenes that actually kind of worries me. That's kind of low key. I don't think most of you know about. But apparently the United States dumped a lot of reserve oil on the market to manipulate the price down because, crude oil was people were talking about $200, $300 a barrel. and their plan was to buy it back below 70, but now OPEC cut production. All these nations are plotting against us. Japan broke the alliance and bought a bunch of oil from Russia. I saw on Twitter. So we got these BRICS nations coming. It's starting to feel like a world coup. Is Japan trying to go back to the Axis? Japan trying to, they remember the Axis and allies. Japan wants to go back to the Axis. We lose Germany. It's gonna start getting a little scary. Are they getting a little nostalgic over in Germany and Japan? I hope not, because I like having those brothers as allies. I wish we could all be allies. India, Russia, China. Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? Time. I'm not even going to finish that comment, brother. It is not time to do that again, but how dare they? Russia, I mean, come on, Russia. China, come on, bros. There's plenty to go around for all of us. Like, let's just all come together. The world's plotting against us. The left is fighting the right and the United. We're falling apart over here. I feel like it's unraveling. The debt spiral is starting to happen. This could be Ray Dalio could be right. This could be the downfall. Let's see. That's a poll right there. I got a poll. I got a poll that's different than is the Bitcoin bottom man that I've done 37 times in a row, and you guys keep voting no, it's not in, which blows my mind. Will USA lose the dollar as world reserve currency within 20 years? And we're off. Woosah. I'm trying to gain some inner peace right now. I got a whole mess out there that I really don't want to deal with. It's gonna be all right. That's it for the stock market, I guess. Wait, what are bonds doing? Bonds 131. Bonds are going up, so we're getting a pause. Pause. Isn't that a Lady Gaga pause? No, I have water. My water heater burst overnight, so I walked outside into the hallway and stepped in a big puddle of water. No water. Yeah, so I have water. I think my water heater just needs a new, the copper water heater. Flex line. This right here. I don't know if I'm gonna free delivery tomorrow. I need free delivery today, bitch. I don't want to go to like Home Depot. Can I use this instead? I don't think so. I need this. I wonder what the difference between the two is. Free delivery today. Flexible, corrugated, hot, and oh, that's pretty cool. $30. Between 5 and 10. I might have to order this. Got 4.5 stars. All right, my apologies, everyone. I don't have a home warranty service. I just have homeowners insurance. How much did it cost, or would it have cost? Maybe I should get home warranty after, because it's just the pipe. I'm pretty sure it's just the pipe corroded. I should probably get the home warranty. Oh, $1,200. Oh, I thought you were gonna say something insane. Like $1,200. I can take that hit. I wouldn't be happy about it, but $1,200. I thought you were gonna say like 5,000 or something. That would have really sucked. $1,200 is right at the point where, this sucks. Yeah, it's $40 a month for I should get that shit. Like when I first moved in, they did a shitty job of checking because it was like the fall or whatever, and they do the home inspection. He put the little gun up to the fucking vent. I think he lied because the air coming out, or the guy was just an idiot. But I learned later the air coming out of the AC needs to be about 13, 13 to 20 degrees cooler than the ambient temperature. And it's like, oh, 72, this thing's working. Summer came. Guess what? The AC wasn't working. Cost me at the time, like 2009, like $5,000 to replace. Now that shit would probably cost like 20 grand. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? We're just talking about life problems. Jason recently had to replace his water heater. I woke up. My water heater was leaking out the pipe, big puddle of water. I just hope there's not water damage or water soaked into the foundation where they have to put those jet engines in my house to dry it out, because that sucks. Yeah, ACs ain't no joke. Also, real quickly, guys, I don't know, Coinly, if you guys haven't done your taxes yet, Coinly does, especially you, Jason. Coinly does Cardano. You can just give it your state key, and it fucking does your taxes for you. Does all the exchanges. It does Cosmos. It does Ethereum, obviously, and it has a lot of different wallets. I was pretty surprised. It was for the version I got. It was $300, the top version. Anyway, let's move on from this. Let's see what's going on in crypto. I guess you can tell I'm pretty down in the dumps. Not a way to come out of vacation. Bitcoin dominant still at 47, pushing 48. Bitcoin 28.3, same price it's been for, I don't know, like 2 weeks now, basically. Thursday, March 23rd, 10 days at least it's been here. I mean, it's gone down and come right back up. Even when it went all the way down, it usually came right back up near 28,000 within the same day. Ethereum 1810. Ethereum's looking pretty good. Arbitrum $1.18. Arbitrum may have found its bottom. Yeah, no shit, Ricky. No freaking shit. And I didn't get shit done. I got a lot of Rust played. I enjoyed myself playing a lot of Rust. Well, shit. Cardano, 39 cents, almost 40 cents. Atom, 11.14. Atom's struggling. I watched a CryptoCito video this weekend where he did his portfolio update. And, he's like, I don't know, probably like 90% plus. And the Atom Cosmos and the Cosmos ecosystem, Juniper. I don't know, they got some freaking coin over there with a J in it. He's in Stargaze, Evmos, Nomic, Akash, Osmosis. I could have sworn there was one with a J. Juno. And obviously, I think so. Anyway, he's getting destroyed. That guy's portfolio's down huge. Yeah, I like Cosmos too. I like Cosmos, but I'm nowhere near as bullish as a lot of people are on Cosmos. And I'm starting to lose my faith in Cosmos, if I'm being quite frank. I really like the technology, but osmosis, it's just a DEX, right? It doesn't have a lot of TVL. I don't know that there's any reason for it to come flooding back with TVL in the next bull run. That's the thing to worry about. Like if you already, unless they can incentivize like crazy, or they get some IBC networks that come in and incentivize like crazy, and then that'll get some TVL. But like Avalanche, Matic, all these incentivized their nutsack off in the last bull run. I think Matic like several hundred million. Avalanche, if I remember correctly, close to $1 billion. Are they going to be able to do that again? That's what brought in all the TVL. There's nothing special. In fact, the Matic blockchain sucks. It's not very good. People they get excited and they think Matic's good because a lot of people talk about it because they get partnerships with some weird partnership with Disney or some NFT thing with that. It's not that big a deal. It's really not. So what real utility does Matic have? The blockchain sucks. It has no utility. Avalanche, I don't know how many times I got to tell you subnets are a scam. Jason asked, are we still looking at AI plays? That's about the only thing I'm looking at, brother. Besides my buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm buying Bitcoin and Ethereum twice a month. Just bought some 2 days ago on the 1st and 16th. And I'm looking for AI plays, but I'm pretty patient right now. Most of the AI plays I'm looking at are on Cardano. We're looking at Fetch on Cosmos. We're looking at Ocean. I think that's on Ethereum. I'm pretty excited about Ocean. We've looked at Render. Render seems pretty cool. I'm just being patient. Out of all the research I've done, you're gonna say, "Oh, Tom, you just love Cardano too much." Man, out of all the research I've done, and I went in very skeptical, very skeptical on Singularity. I'm just like, this thing it's got AI in the name. It pumped because of ChatGPT and all this stuff, and it's just kind of in play. It's probably just a scam. And then I started researching Singularity and the ecosystem. And I've been pretty impressed with what I found over there. So even all their ecosystem chains, it all looks pretty good. Now, they also it all basically seems like even the side projects, they're just broken off like they were part of Singularity. So I still got a skeptical eye, but I'm definitely looking to buy some there. And I'm making a lot of money on Indigo. Indigo is really about the only good DeFi play on Cardano, right? Oh, and MinSwap and Wing Riders are okay. They don't pay a lot, but they pay, right? Indigo pays. So I'm looking to take my Indigo profits and deploy it in NewNet, which is an AI play on Singularity. Deploy it in Singularity. Deploy it maybe in some of the other stuff, like maybe Rejuve. I'm not as hot on that one as Chad Knight. Let's see how it's doing. A lot of the Cardano ecosystem was down the last couple of days. Cardano's up, so for the dollar equivalent to be about the same, it doesn't surprise me that some of these are down a little bit. We're talking a couple percent, 2%, 3% in the last 24 hours. So AGIX is at 41 cents, right? It's down, but it's down in Cardano. which is kind of confusing. I don't know why. I do know why. I don't know why they have to do the price in Cardano and the percent gain loss in Cardano. It's because the guy that I'm pretty sure this is Alex. I don't know if he has a team or if he's just a really good programmer or what the story is. I know he loves, he quit Planet Fitness, by the way. I think it's because he wasn't getting a bench 225. That's all Planet, you eating them pizzas, and I'm surprised they even have $225 in weights over at Planet Fitness. Anyway, he's a hardcore Cardano maxi, right? So he's one of those people that, the Bitcoin maxis, everything's in Satoshis. Which actually, I think everything should be in Satoshis instead of Bitcoins. Like when you go to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, you shouldn't be buying Bitcoin. You should be buying Satoshis. It would be a mentality mindset that would get a lot of people excited to buy Bitcoin again. Tootsie Rolls. Did they give out Tootsie Rolls at Planet Fitness? Anyway, all these prices are kind of hanging around what they were. Newnet 6 cents, I'm pretty sure. I mean, we can look, you know what? We can look at it like this. Or actually, does NTX even show up? Do I have AGIX on here? I should be able to add those. AGIX. You can buy AGIX on KuCoin. I guess that's about the only place. Bybit? I don't think you can use Bybit in the United States. I'm not sure. We will do here. All right, so it's basically got as high as 56 cents, now down to 41. It's probably a good time to buy. I mean, it's right at support. I don't know what caused it to go down so low here. I don't think the market was crashing in March of 23, was it? Oh, wait, I need to add this to the watch list. We'll move that up. We'll move that up. We're going to move that above fetch. My feet are getting cold. Retro in the house. How you doing, brother? You missed a hell of a stream so far, brother. All right. Yeah, so I'm looking to buy this. Let's see if NTX shows up. I don't think that one's going to. Newnet. Here we go. It does. Crypto. I guess we'll do the MEXC. 0.59. That's what it's. Oh. Yeah. So this is. It's down about 50% from the earn drop. This might be its floor. This is right around here is when before the earn drop was announced and people had to accumulate the token. So I kind of want to watch this for a little bit. I'm looking to buy this back up. I sold it. Where did I sell it? I mean, I sold it at like 21, 22 cents. So I can buy it back quite a bit cheaper right now. How much money do I have in my wallet? I don't even remember. Well, did I put it all somewhere? I don't remember what I did because I should have a lot of Cardano somewhere. Shit. I don't. What did I do? Did I put it all in? Maybe I put it all in Shin Ada yield farming. Transactions, sent funds, 3,350. Where did I send them? This is the money I'm looking for. Well, shit. Received funds from MenSwap. Where did I send this to? Did I get hacked? God damn it. I don't even, like, if I have to... Oh, did I buy Ajax already or something? Account? Tokens? No. Newnet? Sent funds on 3/16. Well, I guess I could go watch at 5:55. The fuck was I doing? That has to be like UTC time or something. Hmm. These Cardano things can be really hard to figure out. Sent funds, transaction to this address. I don't know if that's one of my stake keys. Balance, like, god damn, bro. Delegated to carpool. Vroom. I think I must. What is carpool vroom? That sounds familiar. Oh no, I'm just delegate. So this is. That's a. Oh, that was the stupid thing I did for Teddy Swap. Balance, total. Oh, Wing Riders. Do I do something? Oh, I think I put it in Wing Riders Shin. Oh my goodness. This. I don't even remember what I did with my money. Jesus Christ. You got to be a detective. Like. What did I probably put it in the Shin ADA pool over here. Sounds like that sounds like the type of genius move I would have done. Let's see. In our app, it'd be up. Cardano's up, so my Shin's like a 1.25x leverage trade on Cardano. We'll keep that bitch on if so. No. God damn it. Add liquid. Oh, I never added it. I don't think. Oh, it's just because it sees a small amount. I don't understand. Ugh. Now I got to remember to deal with this. Remove liquidity. You don't have anything. Max. Okay. I must have had some and then I removed it. Let's look at MenSwap, I guess. I don't know what I did with my Cardano. Ada Shin. Now I got to figure out. I forget how to figure out how much I have in here. You go to liquidity, pool, filter. You go to liquidity, your liquidity. 900 million, 906 million. My pool share is 0.0729. 0.0729. So you go to calculator. 1202819. 1202819. 855231 times point. What was my shit? 00729. I have 3 calculators up. It's a rough day. 0.000729. Ugh. God damn it. My apologies for that outburst. 1 202,819 855,231 times 0.000729. That doesn't seem like I'm right. Is it divided by? I've done this before. All right, times 0.00, wait. Divided by 0.000729. Oh my goodness. Something must have been wrong. It must have had numbers in there because I'm pretty... times 0.000729. Why? What am I doing wrong? I need to know like 20% of 100, 0.2. I mean, maybe that's right. Oh, 87,000. Maybe I need more decimal places. Fudge. 0.0729%. 0.007%. So if you need to find the percent of the pool, you know is it divided by? All right, whatever. Come on, one of you math geniuses help me out. My brain's fogged up. I know this is great freaking content. If anyone's still here, you're amazing. 7:24 a.m. Ugh. Where's my money? Bitch better have my money. Total LP. Was I looking at the... Now it says 1242. Divided by 0.00729. Well, that didn't work. Times 0.00729. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so depressed right now. Oh, where did my... All right. This is Ajax. Sent funds. Where did... I think I put it here. Let's just find out. The heart. I mean... God damn it, MinSwap. Why can't you put a dollar amount? It's not that difficult. $906. I don't know, man. I don't remember. I would have done something like this though. That's the thing. It only cost me like 20 cents, so. Oh, did I enter the wrong spinning password? All right, we'll do this real quick. Great content. And then we'll do some Twitter. Wrap this up. Give me a little time to call my homeowners. Probably order those pipes for my water heater. Hopefully I'm in a lot better mood tomorrow, guys. It's gonna be a long, stressful day. I don't know if I want to continue living. I'm joking. I'm mostly joking. Trust me, I know things could be a lot worse. Glass half full. I could be out on the streets. Let's all calm. I could be out on the streets. No roof over my head. No. Let's see. Pooled ADA, 1,000 pooled Shin. So 2,000. That's all. No, this isn't where my money went. I don't think. Maybe it is. $2,000. I mean, you would see. Like when did I MinSwap? I just need to find when I sold NewNet, right? Let's see. Swap exact. Yeah, NTX. I got 2,000 ADA. Right here. This is the ADA I'm looking for. 2,000 ADA. And then I did sent funds. 3,000 ADA to this address. And none of these. The only place I would have maybe sent it is here. Sent. Received funds. 11. No, guys. Where did I send my money? I don't know what the hell. Received funds. Sent funds and tokens. Sent funds. 206. Sent 3,350 ADA. I got to figure out what I did here. I can't think, like, this has to mean I sent it somewhere. Where would I have sent it? I don't see it in any other of my accounts. As a kid, did you ever want to be a dog? No, that doesn't. Um, I don't know. I was a good kid. I always did my homework. I'd always get my homework done. Like in high school, all my friends thought I was an F student because all I did was party, but they didn't realize I just did my homework and get it all done during class, like calculus. Just get it done. The teacher would give us, as the teacher was lecturing, I was already doing the homework. I was too smart for high school, and then I carried that bravado into college and got my ass handed to me a little bit. How do I figure out? Mm, let's see. Controlled state key. There's got to be a, is that one of my state keys? State key history. Withdrawal. Let's see. What does this show? Wallet to here. They need to make these sent. Like this shit's so hard to read. Balance 53. Is that my balance? No. All right, let's start this over. You gotta be a freaking rocket surgeon. It's all on the ledger. It's all open. Yeah, you gotta be a freaking. All right, what did I send? Account balance at block time 206. I must have got a little stake action. So transaction ID, we can go to that. Assurance high. Total fees. I sent 3,400 ADA to ADA spent. Oh, this wallet received it. Let's see. Calculus. It was freshman was algebra 1. Sophomore was geometry. Junior was algebra 2. Senior was calculus. That calculus was the same as basically the same as calculus 1 in college. And then in college I did calc 1, 2, 3. And then I tapped out at like math 80 or math 76. I forget, math 80 or some shit, which was second order differential equations. And just like my teacher sucked. So, and I just kind of gave up. I was going to be an electrical engineer. And then I got lazy. I said, I'm just going to go to business. And then I got a degree in business instead. So again, my teacher was very, very bad. But it wasn't all on him. I was a very, very, very bad student. I would hardly go to class. Even in like, well, I take it back. In Calc 2 and 3, I would go to class. Calc 3 was really hard, really freaking hard, because the math chair changed everything up. They brought in these Next computers, and we had to do these labs that were insanely freaking hard. Insanely freaking hard with like these really hard word questions, figuring out gradients and all this stuff. And the teacher was hardcore about it because, he said people would get out with these math degrees and couldn't do anything in the real world. So they tried to make it more real world. I have no idea what it's like now. I know math 76, calc 2, I aced like A++ that class. The teacher was a freaking genius. His name was Dr. Cohen. He actually he was so smart, he had his own equations named after him. And he kind of taught us these really cool ways to figure out stuff that even the book didn't do, like summations and stuff. There's these different ways of looking at summations, and you know whether it's going to infinity or zero just based off like, is it, to the third, or is it halved? All this different stuff. Jonathan in the house. How you doing, brother? We're having a rough day over here. Ricky's getting bored with me trying to be a detective on my Cardano and asking me math questions. 2 months ago. I don't think that's right. I delegated. So I had to have sent this to a different wallet. Maybe, no, it wouldn't have been that wallet. I need to look at this wallet. Oh, wait, it says it has 75 Cardano in it. I don't think I have a wallet with 75 Cardano, do I? Did I just send my money and lose it? Like, I don't understand. And my roof, no, my roof is not leaking. Thank God it wasn't the roof. It was the water heater. At first I thought first the roof, and then thought maybe the dishwasher. And then it was just a water heater. It wasn't the dishwasher. I'm like, there's no way it can be that unless something like broke in the plumbing. But it was the plumbing on the water heater. The roof's fine. The roof is fine. I'm off vacation. I've lost Cardano. My taxes, hundreds. It's gonna cost like $30. The water damage can be pretty bad. That could be in the thousands. I don't think it will be, but we'll see. It even leaked outside. Like I could see it leaking outside. Well, shit, guys. I don't want to. Do I just care? 3,000 Cardano is like $900. I don't even know if I fucking care. It's got to be out there somewhere. Min swap. This was on 4.3. Oh, I think I did something with min swap. ADA min. No, that was the ADA min that I did. I think this means I sent 3,000 Cardano to. I don't understand this. Some of this though. 3,000 Ajax. Did I buy Ajax with it? I think I just have to go watch the video on 316. Son of a bitch. Is anyone in Rumble in the Jumble out there? Welcome to the Rumble. We got fun and games. I forgot to put up the Rumble chat today. I'm sorry. 18 views already. Anyone chatting? Welcome to watching now. I'm probably one of them. YouTube. It would have been I'm assuming this means like 750 UTC. Let's see, 750. $12.50. Did I do that right? That would have been at 7:28 a.m. Okay, this tells me the right time. So let's go to 316. It's a good thing my life is on YouTube. Like, what's the name of that movie where Dana Carvey has cameras on him at all times? No, Jim Carrey. The Truman Show, the Tommen Show. March 16th. Yeehaw! I was yield farming over there. and Amiga. Ah, shut up. 7:28 a.m. Look at this. What was I doing? This is me selling NewNet, so this has got to be close. Ricky was in the house. Jason was in the house. All right, here we go. What am I doing? Wait. Oh, I did do some. Okay. 3,000 ADA. I zapped it into the shin pool. I kind of remember that now. So I did zap it in. That's right. I had so we have $900, we figured, in the shin pool. I didn't put that back in, by the way. That was right. I had about 400 and some when we added about another $500. Mystery solved. I should have just went to the tape. Shouldn't just went to the tape right away. All right, I got to remember. Do you remember the 7th of September? Now, those lyrics, I can never remember those lyrics. That's such a great... Da-na-na-na-na-na. Anyone know that song? My singing so bad you might not recognize it. F all that. I kind of half-assed my taxes with crypto this year. It wasn't that hard with Coinly, bro. 21 night. No, it's the 7th, isn't it? Bro, Coinly FTW. Did you already submit it? You might want to... what are you... do you have anything other than Ethereum? What are all your transactions? Is it all exchanges and Ethereum? Oh, then how do you half-ass it? I mean, Coinly handles it all. According to Coinly, I lost $14,000 last year. I'm not sure on what. You use a lot of KuCoin? That's probably just PebCac, bro. And I forgot my trading password. Well, I mean, you should be acknowledging that you didn't do your taxes in public. That's how Cousin Sal got in a lot of trouble. Or no, it wasn't Cousin Sal. It was the dude from Kansas that was on the Howard Stern show. I think he ended up in prison. Howard Stern, staff tax evasion. Who was that guy? I liked him because he... DJ. There was a guy in the warrant issued for Howard Stern regular. Crazy Cabbie? I don't think that was it. I don't think that's who I'm thinking of. I used to listen to a lot of Howard Stern. I don't listen to him anymore. He's probably extremely political. Oh, fuck you today. I'm not unblocking your shit. Maybe it was Crazy Cabbie. Was that his name? Crazy Cabbie. He doesn't even... Crazy Cabbie. I don't think that's who it was. Maybe this is him. Yeah, it looks like him. Yeah, it was Crazy Cabbie. Is this guy from Kansas? It says Minnesota. No, this was the guy. Maybe the Kansas guy was a really good drummer. Maybe he wasn't the guy that did the GBS, a rare nerve. What is this? Maybe this is what I have. Oh, Gillian Barr. No, they ruled out Gillian Barr. Oh, I think they ruled out Gillian Barr. It was a loss. Well, have you submitted your taxes yet? Do you have more than 3,000 in losses? Because you can carry that forward. Let me try my KuCoin API right now. Try and do this without giving... Because I haven't added that. Oh, wait, actually... I have to resubmit it to TurboTax, but that's fine. I guess I shouldn't be showing like my API on. Did you get a lot of these reviews? It was only like $1,400 of zero cost, so I didn't really care. Log in. I don't remember my password. Oh my goodness. You select this order. The fucking CAPTCHA you gotta do now. Oh, plus I'm getting PayPal security codes again. I'm pretty sure it's the right PayPal number. All right, let's go to Coinly. Go to wallets, add a wallet, KuCoin. API secret, ignore. KuCoin is cancer because they don't have a dark mode. Find the drop down tab under your account. API management. To ensure the account, please enable the two security protocol. God damn. God damn. Annoying. Sorry for all the GDs. I know that may offend some people. All right. API management. Create API. Let's see. No, what do you mean? Like, create it for me. It doesn't create one for me. Create and Coinly. Okay, we'll call it Coinly. All the other ones, it creates secrets and shit for you. It doesn't look like this does. And the create your passphrase. All right. I'm just gonna generate some shit. And we're gonna do this. I'm going to enter the passphrase in the passphrase. Select general for read access. Trade transfer. I don't see general. In the under API restrictions, general's already checked. Select no. Next. Period of validity. Let's do. I'm just gonna do unlimp permanent. Maybe not the best choice. Oh, the passphrase is something that they add. Usually you just, all right, I see what's going on. It's not letting me hit next yet. Oh, 7 to 32 characters. Son of a bitch. No, I'm not a robot. My trading password. Oh, Jesus. You don't know your trading password? You can just reset that, you dummy. Or maybe that's different. Enter. Oh, yeah. So it's a 6. I think I remember that. I might have screwed up. Well, you know what I can do? I put my trading password in my KuCoin notes. Oh, there we go. Unlike you, I thought ahead, bitch. Now I gotta do some email. Again. Holy shit. API activate API. There we go. My key and my secret. My key and my secret. I could see why a simpleton like you could screw this up. Let's see. If you want to receive, you gotta send in all your ID and pictures of yourself. Yeah, you should have saved your. I mean, you're gonna have to deal with that sooner or later, bro. Because so this is where you got stuck. You needed to do your API and you couldn't because you need your trading password. I mean, what happens when you make money with KuCoin next year or whatever? Or, you know, I would just get it taken care of. I mean, you had to do that ID and shit everywhere else anyway. Stop being a little bitch. Just take care of your adult activities. It's time to put on your big boy pants today, Retro, and be an adult. Oh, I don't want to get off the mic. If I get off the mic, that means I got to go deal with my real world adult. I got to go deal with my real world adult problems. They're a lot worse than yours right now, Retro. Ain't using KuCoin. KuCoin comes in handy every now and then, bro. ETA 43 minutes. What the hell? KuCoin comes in handy every now and then. I use KuCoin, or I needed to use. I think I needed to. I sent some. Maybe Radiant. I don't know. I don't think so. I think I might have used it recently. But every now and then there'll be a token on like Radiant or Render. I was thinking about buying Render. No, Render's on Coinbase. And I don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I would just get this handled. I never. Well, if I ever needed to, that's the thing. I never need to withdraw fiat. So that's probably when they're going to need your ID. I just use KuCoin. And you kind of need it to have all your wallets up to date, because if you transfer stuff in and out, then your Coinly won't know your cost basis. Bro. Just, I mean, yeah, if you want to stop using KuCoin, stop using KuCoin. But it's not that big a deal to send them your ID. I don't think. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. I get the laziness factor. But Coinly, I recommend it. I'm down $25,000. Stranger in the house. How you doing, brother? I'm down $25,000 since my initial crypto investments for the most part. But I don't realize that until I sell. And guess what? I ain't selling. Oh, poll. How's the poll doing? What did I ask? Well, the USA, 20%. We have 5 votes. Who said yes? I don't know how I feel if we're going to lose the world reserve currency or not. Anyway, 25K is nothing. I wouldn't go that far, bro. I wouldn't say 25K is nothing. Like, you want me to go out and show you my living room that has no furniture in it? It needs a new, now it really needs a new floor. I could use a new dish. No, I could use a new washing machine and dryer. I could use a new floor. I could use a new fence. And $25,000 would probably handle all that. But instead of buying all that stuff, I bought Bitcoin and Ethereum instead. That way in the next bull run, I need that next bull run to come soon before I die. No, I didn't. You can't claim theft as a loss, unfortunately. And it wouldn't matter that much because it would just be carried forward for the rest of the time, right? You can only claim $3,000 in losses a year. So I've got myself covered for the next 5 years with this year anyway, right? So it's just a learning lesson, you know? I didn't claim any of the Harmony One stuff either because the wallet doesn't integrate very well or it's a pain in the ass. So whatever, right? I kind of pulled a retro on all that. I'm done with Harmony One. I'm done with UST. Out of sight, out of mind. Thank you for pouring salt on that wound. Yeah, it was 50K. It was 10 Ethereum when Ethereum was 3,000. So, but it was 20,000 in UST. So it's at least 30-some thousand worth right now. You're out of your mind, bro. One's done. Harmony One is done. All right, let's do a quick recap because I got to get to work and I got to deal with some shit. NASDAQ down 115. E-mini S&P flat. That's kind of weird. My Iron Condor could be in some trouble now. I should have taken Gamma Squeeze. It's still up $32. We need to take this off. Wait, the Iron Condor is up $87. We need to take this off. Close position 239. No, we rolled it up. The Iron Condor is up $85. So we got cost basis 105 and 163. 268, whatever. Market looking pretty weak. Is this affecting crypto too? So many. Oh, I gotta remember to add this to the watch list. We'll move that up. We'll move that up. We'll move that up. New net chart, looking a lot like the AGIX. What is that? A wedgie? A wedgie? All right, Bitcoin 27.9 down a bit. At least we don't have it as bad as One Foundation. Why? What happened to him? He's probably still got millions. All right, everyone, it's time to go to work. Ugh. I love you all.